My name is Jennifer Shapley. I'm the Senior Director of Talent Acquisition at Express Scripts. So we recruit for a wide variety of positions. Our talent acquisition team is set up into 3 different areas. Our corporate talent acquisition, which is primarily professional, shared services types groups, human resources, marketing, sales, finance, those types. And then what we call our operations recruiting, and we do a large number of high volume type positions. So data entry, call center, and then we're a healthcare company pharmacists. And then we have an executive recruiting group that handles our more senior level positions. What LinkedIn's done to help me and my team be really effective is, I think, a lot of it, they took the guesswork out. LinkedIn's a great partner and they provide solutions that really make sense for recruiters and things that used to be so hard. So how do I get my message out there? How do I distribute our content to a large population? Well, LinkedIn through the different tools and work with us ads and status updates and everything else and being able to customize your career page have really helped us craft the message and get it out there to an audience that might not have had visibility to it before, might not have come directly to our own career site to learn about our opportunities. The things that I think are really powerful for us when we talk about LinkedIn and the wins we've had are the anecdotes of, we hired a VP of finance and we did it through LinkedIn, and being able to say to a hiring manager or a leader, that's a position that we might have filled through an agency before, and look at the savings. And so honestly, there are all the metrics in the world around number of fills, through LinkedIn and source of hire and things like that. But what I find really carries a lot of weight is if I can tie it to this specific position we filled because we found the person on LinkedIn. And that's been a really good message for us. The way I would would describe Express Scripts' talent brand. So, there are a lot of words a lot of organizations use. So there's fast-paced, there's innovative, and we are those things. I think what sets Express Scripts apart is we've had a really exciting story. Founded in the late 80s, and we're now Fortune 24. When I started just over 5 years ago, we were Fortune 135. So there's been tremendous growth. With tremendous growth comes opportunities, comes challenges, comes a lot of hard work. And I think, for us, for candidates and for people who want to work in an organization that's changing the landscape of healthcare, that has a passionate workforce, have employees that put a lot into, what we're trying to achieve, it's a really fantastic place. The rewards are going to be, you're going to learn a lot, you're going to get to do, you're not going to be put in a box, you're going to be able to do a lot of different things, and you're really going to be able to be challenged and I think build your own resume. I think connecting with candidates these days is very important with mobile. Some people look at it and say the percentage of employees or the percentage of candidates who apply via mobile, it's still low, but it's one of those things, was it Wayne Gretzky said, you don't skate where the puck is, you skate where it's going. It's like, mobile is the future. People are going to be more on mobile, and if you're waiting until 80% of your candidates are applying via mobile or interacting with you via mobile, you're going to be too late to the game. And so I think it's important for organizations to really invest in that. I know this morning we saw LinkedIn's rolled out the LinkedIn Recruiter for mobile, which I think is fantastic. My team's really excited about that. I've already downloaded it, and several of my team members have already downloaded it and have logged in. So I think that's going to be a really useful tool. I think the LinkedIn Recruiter mobile is going to be something that y'all are going to hear a lot of positive feedback. From what I've heard from other peers and other organizations, that's been something people are looking for, and I think there's going to be a lot of excitement around it.